So over here, I am in my dashboard, and if I were to go around onto the media section, then you can see the media ranges right here. So now what I can actually do is I can also connect my Google Photos with Media Library, and I can access the photos right from over here, that is Google Photos. So to do that, if I were to click on Add New right here, then you can see that I actually have this option where I can actually go ahead and select out my image in Explorer. But if I were to go ahead and click right above it, you can see that this is the media library, and I can also go ahead and choose Google Photos. So by default, you don't see Google Photos right here, but you can connect to Google Photos and it actually pops up a window where you can go ahead and choose your Google account, and as long as you're signed in, you will get this. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to sign in. Then you can allow Google Photos to be accessed by WordPress right here, just like this. And then you can simply go ahead and have this option called Open Google Photos Picker. So once you go ahead and do that, Google Photos is actually integrated right here, just like this. And you can simply go ahead and then choose the photos that you want. So let's say, for example, I can directly choose out photos that I want to import out right here. Then if I were to go ahead and click on done, those particular photos will be continued out right here, just like this. Those are quickly in as you can see right here, and then you can copy them to media library and so forth, and all of them will be added onto the media library just like that easily. And that is how you can go ahead and access Google Photos and link Google Photos right in your media library inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.